Nagabanta man pinbhai karukam IJ kai HBBS College UMLA ka Shillong West Ubamuhan ro Rapsang ulai sko bhar ka song Pisa ka ba 8,10,000 South Patingka Shakani ka college Habakran hakani ka sngi ulong bana kalyang jo ulong bakloi barabor banyarap hakabeide bakajing pinbhai ka puli puthi hakajala.
But this is not my money. This is my MLA scheme which I have to give to the public. This is not my personal money. Why I am telling that it has to be given to the college, to the school for development? Because as of now, technology is changing. And the moment I entered there, I said, wow, this is too good. You are having a smart classroom. I said, no, this is also a part of the technology which is having now. So this is also what I am doing as a part of technology to enhance the knowledge of connectivity. So this is something which we should encourage, where it will set an example to the other institutes also. It will set an example to the students also, which they should acquire. What is the latest technology they are having? Not unlike during our time, we will have only a teacher and the student. That is what is earlier. But now the technology is changing, so we should try to observe and take this new technology for enhancing our knowledge.